Hello, Earthlings. I'm Patrick, not just a starfish, but a star of science. Welcome to the channel where we'll explore what happens if the Earth suddenly stops, or if cats take over the world. Subscribe. It's gonna be fun, smart, and a little bit crazy. This question comes from literally everyone who's ever looked at a globe and thought, hmm, what if it just stopped? So let's answer the ultimate cosmic brake check. What if the Earth stopped spinning for just 10 seconds? Okay, first, let's be clear. We're not talking about gradually slowing down. Number, we're talking instantaneous, full stop, brakes on, Earth goes, work, kind of stop. And then 10 seconds later, it just starts spinning again, like nothing happened. Easy, right? Well, if you're standing on the equator, right now, you're whipping through space at about 1,670 kilometers per hour, or roughly 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than a bullet train, way faster than a sports car, and just a little slower than your grandma running toward a sail. The Earth's rotation is so smooth and constant that you don't even notice it. But if that motion suddenly stopped, you wouldn't. See, everything not bolted down to bedrock, people, cars, oceans, you air, very surprised pigeons, would keep moving eastward at that same ridiculous speed. Newton's first law, an object in motion wants to keep motioning, even if the planet it's on taps out for a snack break. So for those 10 seconds, the Earth stops. But you don't. You and everything else are now a super-fast projectile flying forward over stationary land. Imagine billions of bowling balls hurled across every continent at once. That's the vibe. At the equator, people would be flung across the ground like rag dolls in a wind tunnel, crashing into buildings, trees, other rag dolls. You name it. If you're in a car, well, you'd suddenly find yourself outside the car, probably wondering where the road went. Planes. They'd still be cruising, but the ground under them just ghosted at 1,000 miles per hour. Oh, and oceans? They're now tsunamis with separation anxiety. The sheer kinetic energy of all that motion would be catastrophic. Coastal cities would be devastated by sudden massive waves as the ocean keeps sliding eastward. Trees would be uprooted, skyscrapers would tremble, and deserts might become beaches. The atmosphere, also still moving, would unleash planet-scale hurricanes as it crashes into stationary terrain. It wouldn't just be windy. It would be hold on to your internal organs windy. Now you might think, okay, but it's only 10 seconds. Can't we just duck and wait it out? Well, in theory, sure. But the damage doesn't stop just because the spin restarts. When Earth suddenly begins rotating again, it would create another jolt. So it's basically 2 rounds of high-speed chaos. The launch and the landing. And that's not even getting into tectonic stress. See, the Earth's crust isn't one solid shell. It's a jigsaw puzzle of plates floating on molten rock. Sudden deceleration and re-acceleration could cause immense friction and shifts. Earthquakes would ripple across fault lines like they just drank 5 espressos. Volcanoes? They've probably been waiting for an excuse like this. Eruption time. Now let's talk space. Satellites orbit Earth, assuming it's rotating at a constant speed. When that suddenly changes, orbits can shift, lose sync, or just plain fall apart. GPS? Fried. Internet? Spotty at best. TikTok? Gone. Pure panic. But okay, let's imagine you somehow survive this. Maybe you were in a bunker. Maybe you strapped yourself to a bed frame in a concrete basement wearing 7 seatbelts and praying to Newton. The Earth starts spinning again. But now the atmosphere is shredded. Oceans are everywhere. Tectonic plates are having a nervous breakdown, and society just got slapped by physics. On the bright side, sunsets would be epic for a few weeks, thanks to all the debris in the air. And this is just the beginning, friends. More crazy what ifs are coming soon with facts, mind blowing moments, and of course, me. So hit that subscribe button, give a star, a like, and see you soon on Clever Patrick.